So this thing grinds filament. I'm going to show you why and how to solve it. So here's the first cause of this problem. This screw is a bit long and this limits the range of motion of this tensioner arm, which sometimes causes the extruder to crush the filament during retractions. The second problem is that the spring that comes with the metal extruder is longer and stiffer than the stock spring that comes with the plastic extruder on the Ender 3. Well, you can go to town and make sure that this screw bottoms out. This is not what I'd recommend. It's much better to get an M3 by 4mm screw and use that instead. It's a bit difficult to do this on camera, but it can be done. And now the screw that keeps the spring in place makes for a very similar knob to the one on the stock lever. The second part of the fix is obviously to use the stock spring that came with the Ender 3. And unless you absolutely have to increase the tension, make sure the tension spring is barely touching. And that's how I solved the filament grinding problem I had with this extruder.